Okay, good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you. I welcome you all to the psychological test webinar on behalf of Flame Academy, Flame Career Academy. And before we start our webinar and the lecture on psychology, I will request Director Brigadier Gulati sir to address you all as part of opening address. Then we'll be starting.
Right. Thank you, Rashi. Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome for the fourth and concluding episode of our webinar, What, Why, and How of SSB. I find a few names in that list. So for the benefit of them, I'm the director of Flame Career Academy, and we have had a webinar comprising 4 episodes. To recapitulate, on the 2nd of May, we had a webinar on stage 1. On 9th of May, we had the GTO technique. On the 16th of May, we had the IO technique. And today, boys and girls, we have the psychological technique. Well, as you're aware, I'm sure all of you are aware, psychology test comprises the 4 tests. I will not go into that. That I will leave it to the psychologist. Boys and girls, remember one thing. You will never meet your psychologist during SSB, except on the final day during the conference, by which time he would have known you better than your mother knows you. Well, that is because of the scientific processes which they incorporate to assess a candidate in your subconscious level and in your unconscious level. And thereafter, based on your responses, they cross-check from the PIQ form. Remember, PIQ form, you fill up in duplicate. One copy goes to the IO and one goes to the psychologist. So your responses are checked by him from whatever you have inputted in your PIQ form. And thereafter, even before you see him or before he corrects your papers, he has a basic idea of who you are and what is your personality. The object being that he ascertains from the psychologist's point of view whether you have it in you to become an officer in our Indian Armed Forces. Just remember one thing, due to constraint of time, you will not be able to mask your personality. So therefore, a small friendly advice, don't try to mug up anything. Boys and girls, I will take an additional minute today. We received a lot of queries. One of them was to attend a SSB capsule in an academy or to go as a fresher. Well, I will say only one thing. Both approaches are good. But if I was to be asked, I would certainly like to go to an academy because knowledge gained will always be useful to you. Once you go to an academy, any good academy, you need confirmation of your abilities. You need to assess what is your approach to a problem solving. Are you a procrastinator? Do you run to friends for advice immediately? Do you get stressed out? Or you sit down, analyze the problem, and go about finding a solution. All this calls for professional mentoring by a qualified personnel. Non-mentored self-help or guidance from an unqualified person can harm you immensely. So for God's sake, do not go to an unqualified person for seeking professional help. Boys and girls, once you attend a capsule at an academy, you will come to know your strengths and weaknesses, and that is what will make you make a progress as far as your psychology is concerned. One more thing regarding use of net. Boys and girls, you just don't know who's putting what material on the net. most of it is all trash. You go, you read, and you end up 11 plus 11 is equal to 23. And then you practice 11 plus 11 is equal to 23, and you'll go horribly wrong. So my advice is, if you are wanting to seek help, go to a qualified professional. Only he will be able to guide you and correct you. Okay, now that was as far as I was concerned. Now let me tell you, without further ado, about your psychologist of the day, the speaker of the day. Today's episode, Psychology Technique, will be taken by Lieutenant Colonel Rishi Bharadwaj. Boys and girls, he has done a tenure at 11 SSB. And in addition, hold your breath, he is a counseling psychologist. He's a postgraduate in counseling psychology. He's a psychotherapist in cognitive behavioral, including spiritual counseling, which includes mental cleansing also. Boys and girls, here is an instructor who not only can analyze what you have written, he can analyze why you have written also. Therefore, I now hand over to Colonel Rishi Bharadwaj for the conduct of today's session. It's an interactive webinar. Boys and girls, do participate, shoot your doubts, resolve your queries, and at the end of the lecture, our aim should be that you will have no doubts as far as the tests of psychology are concerned. Over to you, Colonel Bharadwaj, for the conduct of the session.
Thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot. Good morning, friends. I'm Colonel Rishi Bharadwaj, and I'll be conducting your webinar for psychological testing at SSB. Just let me connect my slide and then we will start. Okay, everybody can see the slides?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, I welcome you to Psych webinar on behalf of Flame Career Academy, and we will be conducting this webinar into the following parts. First, I will tell you basics about the psychological testing at SSB. It's an overview as actually what personality aspects are seen about you. Then followed by the facts about the psychological test in the SSB, and then I will differentiate that what is the difference between PPDT and TAT after telling you about the test series, and then we'll discuss the common issues faced by the candidates in the psychological test and how we can improve those issues what are faced by the candidates. Sample practice about TAT, WAT, and SRT. Few sample practice I've kept, which I'll be doing along with the part 3, that is psychological test series. After telling about each test, we'll be doing some practice about each test, and last we'll be having a question answer session. However, if any doubt persists or any issue comes in between, you are free to ask, but one by one, whenever you are shooting your questions, it should not be all together. Give chance others to speak also. So I come on to the first part. There's a psychological testing at SSB. Now, boys and girls, this is the most important. There is only one slide I will be telling you about how what is all seen in you. We are looking about in you your level of personality and your unconscious and preconscious mindset. Now, when we talk about the personality, this particular aspect of the personality we all have. That is, one is the id, ego, and superego. When we talk about it, is just a pleasure principle. When you see a good motorbike in the market, and the first instinct which comes to your mind is, I should have this motorcycle. That is called the pleasure principle, which nobody comes to know. It is only you who knows about it. And after that, then the second thing comes is the reality principle, which is the ego. Now, this is not, don't correlate this ego with the normal ego. We say that this chap has got more ego, he has got more. It's not that ego. It is basically the reality principle. When you have some pleasure inside you, you want to achieve that. How realistically you are going to get it? So that is what someone who has got very strong instinct for the pleasure, he may say, I'll flick the bike to that. Some may say, I'll work very hard to get this bike. Some will say, I'll ask my parents to get this bike. So everybody has got a different view to get that pleasure. So that is what reality is. The reality, the someone who thinks, here, if I flick the bike, then I will get behind bars. People will feel bad about that, about me, will talk bad about me. So I'll not do this. So that is what is the reality works out. The third is the superego, the moral principles, which has been taught to you right from your childhood. That never tell lies, respect the elders, do not, cheat. All these are the super ego principles, moral values which are being taught to you right from your childhood. Now, gentlemen, when we talk about anybody who has got id primarily in his personality, he becomes a criminal who cannot control his pleasure. He wants to hit somebody, he'll immediately hit and run away, because that is a pleasure. It is satisfying his pleasure to hurt somebody or maybe to flick something. Anybody who works on the dual principles, say id and ego, that is on reality based. At times, if you see, we have lawyers in the society, we have got people from media. They have to at times compromise this superego part because their profession are like that. So that kind of people generally move on to the ego and id. These are the reality and pleasure principle. And when we talk about the third balance, it makes a difference also. Who has got a balance of all three things, id, ego, and superego. You are sitting on the Siachen at some post. You have a pleasure, you want to go down, you want to feel warm, but you cannot move out. You're controlling your id. That reality principle, I am with the men, I have to lead with an example. That is reality. Superego, the superego of the services which have been imparted to you to fight for the country, to live for the country, to serve for the country. That is called the superego. So the balance of these three things makes a difference also. I have already given you the example about individualistically somebody having a it, what kind of tendencies he will have. Somebody who is working on only two principles, then what kind of job profile he may go into. So that is what we are looking from as far as the structure of personality is concerned. We are looking that balance in your personality, which has got a mix of id, ego, and superego, and one can actually control and monitor his own id to live with the realistic and moral imperatives. Now, second part is the conscious, preconscious, and unconscious mind, our mindset. Now, boys and girls, psychology is all about right from your childhood. The day you were born, your psychology started. We have heard in Mahabharat, like Abhimanyu heard about the Chakravyuh when he was in the mother's womb. So right from that time, your psychology starts. And when we talk about the duration, the first 6 to 7 years are the recording stage of your mind. Whatever you are hearing, whatever you are seeing, it has been recorded to the mind. Thereafter comes to the validation state. That is 7, 8, 9, 10 years of your age. That time you are validating, you are asking too many questions with your parents. Thereafter come to the consolidation stage. Whatever you have recorded, whatever you have verified, then it comes to your consolidation of the personality. Whatever you and me are sitting here is that 14, 15 years of age. Thereafter, it is all knowledge, experience, which keeps on adding in our own personality, because personality is dynamic. So this particular, when we talk about conscious, preconscious, and subconscious mind, unconscious, what you don't know, what is already there under the surface. Like Hanumanji did not know that he would fly to Lanka. So that was part of his unconscious. There are so many your positives, your skills, which you don't know about yourself. Your like Sushant Rajput, this actor who committed suicide, he never knew that he'll commit suicide. He will get depressed like this. So that is part, that is the thing which comes under the unconscious. Then is a preconscious or subconscious mind. Whatever you can recall right from your childhood, it is your subconscious. वो तुम्हारी subconscious memory. Then conscious, what you are listening to me right now is the conscious. All these three things makes your mental balance, mental ability to react, to behave, to whatever you do in the social circles. All these things affect your overall personality and structure profile of your personality. So this is what we at SSB look at. So this is, I have already told you, this balance and the purity of your mind right from your unconscious, preconscious, and conscious level. Now, psychologist is more interested in unconscious level, which you are not aware about yourself, and partially the subconscious level. Now, boys and girls, the facts about psych test in SSB. This is very important for you. First of all, keep one thing in mind, that there is nothing right or wrong in psychology test. When I told you whatever your personality is right from your childhood till date, what is right or wrong? There is nothing right. We are looking forward for to see or to analyze your original personality, which we will analyze. Come what may. Whether you have crammed the stories, whether you have whatever you have done, we will come to. Number two, psychology is all what is stored in the brain right from the day of childhood, that I have already told you. Psych test, TAT, WAT, SRT, SD are the medium to enter unconscious of the candidate. Gentlemen, this is very important for you to know that story writing, sentence writing, SRT, wait, somebody. Okay, these tests are the medium to reach to your unconscious. It is not a test of story writing. It is not a test of sentence writing. It is not a test of completing a situation or writing an essay about you. It is the medium to go into your unconscious and subconscious. When candidate applies his own imagination, the task becomes easier for the assessor to enter the mind of the candidate. Suppose you are writing some Colonel Smart or idea, or some idea which you have taken from internet. Do you feel you are showing your own mind there? If you are not applying your own mind, then how we are going to enter in your mind? Our aim is to see your own imagination through which we can enter your mind. So that is why application of your own brain is very important. And psychologists come to know very easily, even we come to know which academy you are being coached, because there are very few academies who are not into coaching, who are into guiding. And 90% of the people who are in the market, they are 25 times SSB failures who are running or conducting the classes. So, everybody is with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
it is the aim of psychologists there to see what has come out of the mind of the candidate. And any good academy, any good guide, a psychologist will make you to apply your own mind, own imagination, exercise your brain in a way so that you are able to apply your own mindset, own imagination, rather than borrowing it from somebody else. Rather than putting Colonel Craig's idea, you are going, we want you to give your imagination. Now, good, poor stories and it is all about the application, whether it is a good, there is nothing called good or poor story. Aim is to write a story, because if we talk about tests, these tests are asked which are of the level of 6th or 7th standard. Remember, when did you write a story? When you had a story writing test, 6th or 7th standard?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When did you had a test of sentence making test? Okay, make sentences in the class. So that
Fifth or
was still
sixth
6th,
standard,
7th
sir.
standard. Yeah.
Sir.
Then we come on to the situation, which is completion of the situation. English reader के अंदर आप chapter पढ़ के completion of the situation करते थे जो, that was till 6th, 7th standard, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then writing an essay. Earlier the essay used to be write an essay on Mahatma Gandhi, write an essay on Jawaharlal Nehru. Now we are telling you to write an essay on yourself. Can there be anything easier than this? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
It is the
No, sir.
easiest thing. This is a simple test. It is known to you. Now, how to write a story, that I will give you an example. What should be the format of the story, that we can revise. But ultimately, the imagination on the picture, on the word, has to come from your mind. Okay? That's why using term cracking SSB is a retarded term itself. In internet, if you see, half of the people are talking about cracking the SSB. What really cracking SSB? It is a very natural procedure of selection to see your original personality. Cracking means faking. The moment you use this term cracking, you are already onto the line that you have to fool the assessor there. Yes or no?
Right,
Yes.
sir. Right, sir.
So the aim is to apply yourself rather than fake your personality and fool the assessor that so that he does not come to know about your original personality. And all these do's and don'ts, when you get from the coaching institute, so-called, or the coaches, they tell you do's and don'ts. I've seen so many videos in internet. They all tell you, you should be using this word, you should not be writing this, because with this, the assessor will take this view. Don't you feel this is faking? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
due to that, you candidates get misguided. You start thinking, what should we be writing so that assessor takes our good view? Right? Then again, it is you are more concerned how you can make an impression on assessor. Like you want to make an impression on a class teacher कि मैं अच्छा perform करूं. जैसे class teacher, I'll raise my hands 5 times at least in the class. The moment class teacher comes, I will be very sincere. The moment she leaves, then I will be my original. So it is something like that. Okay. So aim of the assessor at SSB is to scan the candidate for his original personality and select candidates who have quality what is required in the defense forces. Psychological tuning for SSB can be done by a good guide, but it cannot be coached by telling do's and don'ts. Assessors are very, very experienced in SSBs. They can easily make out your fake response because 2.5, 3 hours test. I can take out your qualities in one story. All 15 qualities or whatever your unconscious, subconscious, just one story. And I have got 12 stories there, followed by 60 sentences, then followed by 60 situations. It is good enough to know about you. Even Einstein cannot apply himself like that he, cram everything and just fakes his personality in front of us. Now there are certain mind exercises and some mock practice of mind exercises to enhance your imagination, because you have to understand one thing about it. This mind is a monkey. It always wants to rest. It does not want to work. आप देखो, आपको जैसे ही आप पढ़ाई के लिए बैठते होगे तो आपको एकदम से 10 मिनट बाद ही नींद आने लगती होगी, जहाँ दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है. यस और नो? जहां माइंड की एप्लीकेशन आई वहां पे नींद आनी शुरू हुई. और जैसे ही मैंने मुन्ना भाई MBBS पिक्चर लगा दी, ठक से एकदम से खड़ा हो जाएगा भाई. एकदम से वो 3 घंटे तक जगा रहेगा, फिर नींद ही नहीं आएगी. Why? Because mind को जहाँ अप्लाई करना होता है, mind starts getting tired and it gives the signal to you to sleep or to close it or to take a break. So mind, how you can have an observation on your mind, how you can make it run when you have to do your physical exercises. Can you run today? You are able to run 2 kilometers. Can you run 20 kilometers just next day? No, you have to work. You have to strengthen your stamina. Similarly, mind is also a being. Don't correlate yourself. Mind, body, and soul. These are the 3 things. So when we talk about mind, it is a separate entity. You have to make your mind run the way you run your body to enhance your physical stamina. Similarly, mental stamina has to be enhanced. The moment your mental stamina starts running from 2 kilometers to 20 kilometers, you will achieve the imagination. How? I will discuss about it. Okay, now I come on to the psychological test series. Any doubts in the previous part, boys and girls?
No, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, now this is
Sir,
just
can I ask a doubt?
Yeah, please. You tell your name first.
Sir, my name is Raj Shekhar.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt regarding, sir, we normally say that we should not use negative words in SSB. Like, is it so? Like when we use, we cannot clear, and there is a difference between we failed. Sir, like.
I will come on that in subsequent slides. Your query will be answered because it's with a flow. I will be able to tell you better rather than answering it now. So just keep your question in your mind, and once it is addressed, that time you can ask. Okay. Whatever we have seen in the previous slide about the overall view of psychological testing, what I told you about ego, superego, conscious, subconscious mind,
Yes, sir.
then your facts about the psychological testing, usse related, if any doubt is there, we can discuss that.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah,
So I'm Preeti Rani Sinha.
yeah, Preeti.
Sir, as you mentioned about the psychology of a person is inborn and from the day we are born. So,
Yes.
sir, when we join an academy, does that academy plays an important role in changing our psychology or any changes in that, sir,
No.
so that it will be suitable for that requirement?
See, as far as psychology is concerned, once we find your psychology to be fit for defense services, you are in. Thereafter, your psychology is already set for defense forces. That is why you are there in the academy. Now, thereafter, it is further tuning, training, and make your personality profile as per requirement of the defense forces. Psychology तो already test होके वहां पे पहुंचे हो. जिनका टेस्ट साइकोलॉजी का क्लियर नहीं हुआ, वो इसलिए क्लियर नहीं हुआ. जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल, अब्दुल कलाम आजाद कुड नॉट क्लियर एसएसबी. अमिताभ बच्चन अपीयर्ड थ्राइस फॉर एसएसबी, कुड नॉट क्लियर. शाहरुख खान appeared for thrice. फौजी सीरियल बनाने से पहले वो he has appeared for SSB so many times. He could not clear it. Were they bad? No, they were not bad. It is not a matter of good or bad. It's a matter that their personality profile was not suiting to the defense force. Their psychology were more for the better for that movie. Or Abdul Kalam was a good scientist, but he could not be he was the supreme commander of defense forces as president. But as a defense officer, he was not coming into that frame. Getting my point? I hope I have answered your question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we come on to the stage 1. Now this I will just cover in short because it has already been covered. It is just because this has also a content of psychology. Intelligence test and the picture perception test is conducted by the psychology. That's why I have kept this slide. Now, intelligence test, you have already been told, it is part of the overall stage 1 testing, where you are given the grading, scores are given, and which are overall included and makes you a stage 1 result. Then second, picture perception test, in which a picture is shown to you, a hazy picture for 30 seconds. Thereafter, you are required to write a story around it. And then there's a discussion part, wherein 12 to 16 candidates are seated in a semicircle, and all three assessors, GTO, psychologist, and interviewing officer, sit there and they see your discussion, your individual narration and discussion where you reach to a common consensus, and then the overall result is calculated on OIR and PPT. Now, why I'm telling you, because later I'll be telling you, covering about difference in picture perception and theory. That's why I have showed this slide. Any question on this slide? Okay. Now we come on to the psychological test series. So these are the 4 tests which are conducted. This test is almost 2.5 hours plus test. TAT is conducted for an hour, that is thematic perception test, followed by word association test, in which 60 words are shown to you and you have to write sentences on that, followed by situation reaction test, which has got 60 situations and 30 minutes are there to give your reaction or responses to the situation, followed by self description test, which is just like an essay about you. Now, these all tests are primarily projective test techniques. In this is a stimulus is shown to you on which your mind has to give the responses, which has to come from your mind. And how it comes from the mind, whatever your experience, your recordings, your verification, your childhood recordings or reactions that made your behavior over a period of time, accordingly you are going to give the response. और automatically आपकी stories के अंदर, आपके sentences के अंदर, आपकी situations के अंदर reflect करें. So that's why we call it projective. It projects your personality. It projects your hidden emotion, internal conflict. जब आपका verification state था, कई बच्चों का आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं उस टाइम पे, और कई बार मम्मी पापा परेशान होकर शटअप कॉल देते हैं, डांट देते हैं, कमरे में बंद कर देते हैं. तो this also becomes a conflict sometimes. उसकी वो particular query बच्चे की वहीं अटक जाती है, वो resolve नहीं हो पाती. And that you never know. that makes some additional emotion in his personality. That makes some conflict in his personality. Any happening which has taken place in your childhood, whenever we talk about psychology, किसी भी mental issue का अगर हमें base दिख रहा है, we go into the childhood. So there is nothing called do's and don'ts. Now we come on to these all tests. TAT and WAT are the primary test for your subconscious and unconscious mind. And SRT is a test for same, and self description is a confirmatory series. Psychologist आपके बारे में TAT, WAT, SRT से complete personality profile निकाल लेता है. He knows now you are this. Whether you are suiting into the defense officer's frame or not. Self description is a test where we want to know how much you know about yourself. Because if you know, सबसे पहले तो खुद को जानना जरूरी है. If you know yourself, if you know your weak points, strong points, you can utilize those accordingly. If you know your weak points, you will have an inclination to correct it, to overcome it. So we want to, कई बार क्या करते हैं बच्चे ये बाहर से already अपना prepare करके और वहां पे लिख के आ जाते. It has no use. I have already taken out your personality profile from TAT, WAT. Suppose I find that some candidate is very low in self-confidence. He does not have a drive. He does not have a determination to approach to the goal or to work for it. Now in the self-description test, I am very confident person, and whenever any work is given to you, I complete it till the end. If he has written this statement in self-description, I will say he's faking. Please switch off your, mute your speakers. Okay. So that is what SD is, a confirmation of your personality, which we want to know if your weakness, strong point we have taken out, whether you are aware of it or not. And it is important because SSB is sort of a self-realization test. In other words, only self-realized people can become defense officers. Sir. Okay. We come on to the thematic apperception test now. Now these are the instructions. Here I'll give you a format of a story also. Now first I will just go through the instructions. These are the same instructions which are given to you in SSB. This is a test of your imagination. Perception क्या था? That was the picture perception was a test of perception. अभी उसका difference मैं बाद में बताऊँ. Now this is a test of your imagination. Number of pictures are shown one after the other. In this, you are required to write a story around the characters and situation shown to you in the picture. In each story, you are required to write as what led to the situation, what is happening in the situation, and what the outcome would be. You are also required to give feelings, thoughts, and action of the characters you see in the picture. Each picture is shown to you for 30 seconds. Thereafter, 4 minutes given to you to write the story. A story is to be written around in 100 words. There are total 12 slides shown to you, out of which the 12th slide is a blank slide in which you are required to imagine a picture of your own choice and write a story around the characters and situation. Okay, fine. Clear about the instruction? Now, number 4 and 5. These are the most important part of this briefing. That when you write a story, you have to write as what led to the situation, what is going on in the situation, and what the outcome would be. Okay, now let me give you one sample story. Everybody has heard a thirsty crow?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'm sure all of you have read it in your English readers in your early days of your primary school. Now, when you think of a thirsty crow, in your English reader, there used to be a picture of a crow with a pebble in his mouth, and a jar is kept onto the side which has few pebbles inside, and it is half filled and few pebbles are spread outside. Correct? This is a picture. It comes when you
Yes,
talk about thirsty crow.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will just go through this story once again to make you understand as what should be the format of the story. Once upon a time, there was a crow who was very thirsty and looking for water here and there. What led to the situation? Now, when we say what led to the situation, he was thirsty and looking for water here and there. So, what was his goal? Goal has come, that he was thirsty and looking for water. Now, suddenly he saw a jar lying on the rooftop. He immediately flew to the jar and tried to drink water, but the water level was down. He started thinking what is to be done to drink water. Suddenly, an idea struck his mind. He saw few pebbles lying around the jar. He started putting those pebbles one by one into the jar and kept putting the pebbles into the jar till the time water level rose. Finally, the water level came to the level where the thirsty crow could drink water. The thirsty crow finally drank water, quenched his thirst, and flew away happy. Now, when you say what led to the situation, once upon a time there was a crow who was very thirsty looking for water, and rest entire thing came in what is going on in the situation. Around 5 to 6 lines, 7 lines came in this center part. And last, what is the outcome? That is, finally he drank water, quenched his thirst, and flew away happily. Fine. So these are the three parts which are required to be covered in the story, and you are taught to write that in your childhood to write the story like this. Now, some people say, sir, should be having a challenge or a goal in a picture, in a story. You tell me a single story which does not have a challenge or a goal. Whether you talk about a friend in need is a friend in need, वो भालू पीछे पड़ गया था. There was a challenge. वो बंदर का कलेजा वाली story. बंदर के लिए challenge था कि how to get rid of that crocodile. There cannot be any story where the goal is not there, where the challenge is not there. Otherwise वो किस्सा हो जाती. That is an incident. It is not a story. And we are telling you to write a story. So every story what you are writing has to have a challenge or a goal or a character. So that is the reason why we look forward, and level of goal comes from your intellect. कि आप level कौन सा pitch कर रहे हो. Like for example, a 4-year child to climb stairs, it is a big challenge for him. But is it a big challenge for you? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
No, sir.
level of challenge you are projecting. If you are projecting a challenge of 6th class boy, obviously that will be easier for you. So is that a story of your level? एक छठी क्लास के बच्चे की स्टोरी, अब ये थर्स्टी क्रो की स्टोरी है. If you write in TAT, we are not expecting you to write thirsty crow there. I have given you this example so that you know how to write a story. This is the only story which I tell in my guiding classes. There is no other story I tell. Rest I make mind of the candidate to work upon, to think. Because the moment I tell any story from my side, that is a story coming from a 45 years old man. 18 years और 45 years की story में फर्क नहीं दिखेगा psychologist को वहां पे. So if you write my story there, you will come to know. Okay. Then we talk about feelings, thoughts, and action. Feelings क्या था? Thirsty crow का. A crow who was feeling very thirsty. That was feeling. Thoughts, to have water. Action, the entire thing in the center, what he has done to achieve his goal. What is going on in the situation is a part of the action. So all these three things are covered. Yes or no?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is the way you write a story. Now we come on to the second thing. Imagination. The aim, the first thing what you, when you see a picture, is the imagination what is required. Now imagination comes from creativity. How creative you are. जिसने बचपन में सबसे ज्यादा दादी माँ से कहानियां सुनी होंगी वो उतना ही creative बन गया होगा. That's why everything lies in the child. जिसने बहुत ज्यादा अमरचित कथा या कॉमिक्स या कुछ ऐसी चीजें पढ़ी हैं, रीडिंग हैबिट रखी है, he will be more creative in making a story. So, and from where it comes from? It comes from the intelligence. So ultimately, when you are able to write a story, at least one factor is cleared, that is intelligence, that he is able to imagine, because imagination comes from intelligence. And structuring of the story, I have told you, what led the situation is the introduction of the story. Only in 2 lines or 3 lines. I've seen candidates writing six lines in introduction, और 6th-7th line में तो aim मालूम पड़ता है कि the aim of Raju was this to do this, and then he achieves his aim. जो मैंने पूरा एक पैराग्राफ thirsty crow का लिखा है, जिसमें the thirsty crow, how he is achieving to get water or to raise the water level of the jar. That is achieved in only one line. He worked very hard, burnt midnight oil. This is a market language. Burnt midnight oil, worked very hard, and he finally became got a gold medal in all. And what is the outcome? That is the conclusion. Thirsty crow drank water, quelled his thirst, and flew away happily. So total words is 100 words you have to write. You should be able to, now this story what thirsty crow has given you is exactly 100 words. Similarly, you have to practice to make a story in 100 words. You have to exercise your mind rather than asking, because a lot of candidates ask me, sir, you tell me what you would have written if, I will not copy your story, but what you would have written had you written. There is no point me telling what I would have written for this picture, because that is 45 years old mind, right? Now we come and answer the question of somebody asked negative, positive. Yes, who asked?
Sir, I asked.
Rajshekhar, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now just visualize when you see a picture, what is a tendency of mind? First of all, देखो एक तो ना mind, body and soul को एक अलग status बना के रखो, so that you can have a better view of mind. Why I am calling soul also? Some people may believe soul or no, bro, it's not a thing. Point is, there is some inner power in ourselves which guides us to make our internal solar system or makes our drive to do something. We say, na, have your inner power, have your inner push to do something. Try your best. What is that best? That is inner power. Like, for example, Mr. Gupta is sitting on a chair. He got a heart attack, fell down. And suddenly friends say, oh, Gupta ji was sitting on the chair. He was fine. Now, bhaiya, aa jao, he is no more. Body ko leke jao. Gupta ji is no more. Gupta ji name has gone. It has become a body. So there is some force between that body, live and not live, which is giving us a strength. The solar system which is there in the outside, it is there in our body also. So that is known as inner motive power, the determination, the internal push, which makes us to do something. Similarly, mind, it is a different entity. If you keep it as a different entity, you can have a better control on it. You can make it move. अगर उससे club हो गए, so it will make you a आलसी person. It will make you what it wants, the mind wants. Okay, so now tendency of mind, when it sees a picture or something, whatever ideas or things which you have heard, read, or experienced in life will form up and make a story in your life. Those ideas will come. If I say right now, what is happening on Jupiter planet, can anyone give any view on it? No, na?
No, sir.
Because Jupiter के बारे में मालूम ही नहीं है. कुछ एक आध किसी मूवी में कुछ देख लिया होगा, ज्यादा उतना आएगा. मार्स के बारे में बोलूंगा, ज्यादा ही आ जाएगा कि it is red in color and it has got this kind of look, some these experiments are going on. That's all. Whatever anything what comes to your mind after seeing a picture as part of response is the incident you have either experienced, heard, or read, right from your childhood. वही story बनेगी. ठीक है? Now, negative or positive. When I see a story, some negative word comes in, some positive words. Gentlemen, there is nothing called negative positive. If I am showing you a picture of chap with a knife hitting another chap, tell me what kind of positive story you can make it. There has to be some negativity. मैंने दिखाई आपको इसके लिए. Any kind of dynamic stimulus. Stimulus means any kind of feed I am giving, whether it is in a form of picture or in a form of word. अगर मैं आपको word दे रहा हूँ kill, knife, depression, shock, these are dynamic words. they have a negativity inbuilt in it. When I'm showing you a picture or somebody hitting a knife or somebody, fighting with each other, it is a negative stimulus. A story has to be based on that. Half of the candidates, because of the coaching effect, they make it a nukkad natak. They make it a play, self-defense play on stage. Yes or no? Please switch off your who is, just let me see, switch off your mics. Somebody has kept his weight. Can anybody make out? Okay, the mind is quiet. It is quiet. Okay. Okay, getting my point. So, Rajshekhar, what we were talking, so there is nothing called negative positive. You have to
Yes.
now, negative positive is a character. अब तुम अपना character अमिताभ बच्चन ले रहे हो या अमरीश पुरी ले रहे हो, that is up to you ना. What has attracted you? तुम्हें crime
Yes, sir.
petrol ज़्यादा देखे हैं तो you never know what attracts you.
Yes, sir.
Negative positive is a character. Situation तो has to come from the picture. Situation, your story has to flow from the picture, not the picture has to flow from the story. Other way around थोड़ी होता है. Like for example, there was a candidate who had written a story on a picture where a boy is standing on a bridge and there is some park kind of thing under the bridge and some river and some boating. Some people are doing the boating. So he wrote a story that he was preparing for IAS and he was working very hard. He took the notes, this thing, that thing, ये thing, सब कुछ किया. And last day before going to get fresh, he went on the bridge and stood to take fresh air. Do you feel that the story has flown from the picture? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It has not come out of the picture. The picture has come out of the story.
Yeah.
In the last line. And finally, he cleared his interview and became IAS. So that is what your story, you have to give your imagination, you have to give yourself, your mind on the picture, on the spot, and not preconceived. This is a preconceived kind of story. So negative, positive, I've replied. There is nothing called negative, positive. If the stimulus is negative, the story has to be negative. But your characters matter. Now, character. Every idea of the story will have character as per the picture. Whatever number of character. At times there is a crowd. You cannot make 100 characters. How you are going to write the story? Amitabh Bachchan to एक ही होगा वहाँ पे. ठीक है? So generally, you tell me, if you see a movie, there is always one hero who has to be named, who has to be introduced, and then he has some aim to accomplish and come out with achievement of that goal. That is all what is story. The thirsty crow, Bandar ka kaleja. A friend in need is a friend in need. Any story you remember, there is one hero in the story who has some aim, who has some challenge, who has to come out with some solution, and he has to achieve that. Then it becomes a story. Then comes the theme of the story. Every story, I've told you, it comes with a challenge. The challenge, the kind of challenge you're going to take, the quality of challenge depends on individual's intellect and his experience in his life. What kind of experience? Like for example, there are many children who stays very in a very protected environment. So in such kind of situations, a lot of dependency come. He is not able to take his own challenge independently. He needs a lot of help in the story. So it is all kind of experiences you have read. Okay? So finally, the achievement of the objective is very important. Okay. Any doubt with the previous slides? Now I will just tell you the difference between the thematic perception test and picture perception test.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, as in
give your
the
name.
PPT,
Give your name.
Sir, I'm Preeti.
Yeah, Preeti.
Sir, in PPT, as we have to pick one character and narrate the entire story from his or her point of view. So, sir, is it more advantageous if we pick up the positive character than the negative one?
Now you want to get coached. I have told you it is your imagination. You pick one character, it is up to you. You want Amitabh Bachchan and Dharmendra together in one picture, it is up to you. There is nothing called advantage or not advantage. Every story is good, but the way of writing a story you should know. That I have already told you. Apply your mind, apply yourself. When now picture perception, it is a test of perception. Both writing a story is same in both thematic perception test and picture perception test. But it is a test of perception. Here the limitation, we are just seeing up to the level a candidate is able to match his perception or this perception of the story with the picture. अगर मैंने desert का scene दिखाया है तो you are able to write a story around close to the desert. If I am showing a scene of a crowd, then you are able to address that crowd. Yeah, there is a crowd in the picture and some story has come out of it. But TAT is a test of imagination. It is much more than that. The thing does not stop on identification of the picture. Because जब आप story लिखते हो, आपको पहले picture को जानना भी आना चाहिए. Picture क्या दिखाई है? Picture को पढ़ना भी आना चाहिए. तो जब आपने picture को पढ़ लिया है, when you have seen the picture properly, then only you can apply your imagination. So it is furthermore add-on over the perception. Once you have perceived, thereafter we are, analyzing your personality on the basis of your imagination. Here it stops at the perception. The benefit of the doubt is with the candidate. Even if you have not completed the story in last 2-3 lines, it is okay. Broad perception you have given, we are okay in the perception test. So this is first difference. The aim is to see if candidate can perceive the pictures correctly. Here the aim is this, but aim here in thematic appreciative test is to see the imagination of the candidate as part of his overall intelligence level and logic. In picture perception test, your OLQs are not assessed. We don't assess officer-like qualities there. But in thematic perception test, your all 15 OLQs are assessed in every story, in every sentence. Broad analysis of psychology. This is just a broad analysis. Here it is a detailed analysis of your unconscious level. What you don't know about your own personality. Picture perception test, the benefit of doubt is with the candidate. Minor issues are overlooked. It is not so in TAT. We see each and every cutting, see each and every slip of pen. Why you have written this? Why there is a gap between two sentences? Not gap, physical gap, but there is a break in the story somewhere. Even using few words, it makes us to enter your mind. What particular picture makes creating a reaction in your mind? We want to see that only. Now we will do one practice. Now it is not a practice as such. It is just I am giving you an example on a simple picture and a difficult picture. Now if you see this picture, anyone out of you will make a story related to an accident. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because it is clearly given. It is an easy picture. And these are the picture when we give in the TAT test. Random picture generate hoti hai. It is a test on the software. Even the psychologist who is conducting the test, he does not know what picture is going to come. So when you talk, somebody has got. Please keep your mics mute. Whenever such clear, like there is a fire in a house and people are trying, running around trying to extinguish the fire. This is a very easy stimulus. Clear cut आपको story उसकी मालूम है पहले. So these are the breaks to give your mind so that you get a better breath. Somebody's mic is on. It is disturbing me. Switch off your mics. Okay. So simple pictures. So it is not only one story where we are seeing, but after this, if I give this kind of picture, यहाँ दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा नहीं पड़ेगा? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is a difficult picture or this is a difficult picture?
Sir, the second one.
Second one.
So here your unconscious will come out more than this picture because this is here it's not that this picture is not important for us. We want to see these are the social situations which can emerge in front of anybody and what kind of action you can take. This comes more to your subconscious state. But एकदम से कुछ easy picture के पास कुछ difficult picture आती है हमेशा. And these all pictures are divided into 4 factors of your obsess-like qualities. Intelligence, your planning and organization, social factor, social effectiveness, and dynamism. So accordingly, this is a dynamic picture with a knife. Now, Rajshekhar, I think this picture answers your query.
Yes, sir.
There is nothing called negative positive. You have to put something. Some story has to come where some kind of relate you have to give with the knife, and
Yes,
there is some blood marks or something on the knife.
memory segmentation call होता है
Yeah, please switch off your mics.
Sir, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, somebody's mic is
external interrupt highest priority.
wait, let me switch off his.
क्या है मेरे को भी बताओ
उसका memory segmentation का all of the above.
Somebody
यार
is-
उसका answer ही नहीं है.
Can somebody make out?
हाँ,
Rajshekhar, is it yours? Yeah.
हाँ,
No, this is
No, sir, it's
Okay.
not mine.
it's Pranil Sharma.
Yeah, Pranil's mic is on.
Yes, sir. I've done. Okay. Okay, so now TAT mantra for SSB. Anyone to read? Rajshekhar, you read.
Train your mind to see the good in everything. Positivity is a choice. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts.
Okay. Any doubt about TAT?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, like as you showed the picture of a knife, that was the second picture, and that you told that we'll have to, apply our brain to make a story out of it. So, sir, when we are applying a brain, are we giving a second thought to a story which can become artificial? Because don't we think that when we apply our brain, a second thought comes, we have to bring out a positive outcome out of it, and whether it's a knife or whether it's a negative thing.
See, any story have you ever remember any story which doesn't have a positive outcome?
No, sir.
बचपन से लेकर इतनी स्टोरी सुनी है और इतनी तुमने you must have read a lot of short stories. Every story of the outcome is always some achievement.
Yes, sir.
These are the additional question unnecessary which comes to your mind. Simply you have to write a story where you have to have a character as per the picture, and you have to have some challenge, some goal for him to achieve, and that procedure of achievement has to be detailed. It is simple, the way Thirsty Crow is done. Fine. So I'll just read it for
Thank you.
you. Train your mind to see the good in everything. Positivity is a choice. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Now, this was the maximum time I had to give for TAT, because TAT is one of the base tests. The rest test will not take much time to make you understand. Now, WAT, the instructions are that it is.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is Anirban Lahan, sir. Sir, regarding the completion of the story, there will be 12 slides in the TAT.
Yeah.
So if one is able to complete like 8 stories and 4 are completely blank.
You cannot leave any story.
Yes, sir.
You cannot, in TAT and WAT test, you have to attempt 100%. WAT में 2-4 sentence छूट गए ठीक है, but you cannot manage to leave 10 sentences.
Okay, sir.
Getting my point? So you
Yes.
have to write all 12. एक या 2 stories भी छूट गई ना, तो फिर then psychologist will, मतलब your mind is not going as per the speed of the test. Okay,
Yes,
this is
sir.
very important. Now WAT is again a test of imagination. Number of words are shown to you. Whatever first thought idea comes to your mind, you have to complete it in a form of, give it in a form of a sentence. You may or may not use the word. इसमें word use करो नहीं करो doesn't matter. Like morning brings freshness in life. I have not used the word morning, but brings freshness in life. It is just like that. You may not use the word. Then each word is shown for 15 seconds, in which you are required to see the word and write the sentence. And altogether 60 words are shown to you. After every 20 words, there is a blank slide to enable you to turn the page, because एक page पे 20 serials ही होते हैं, and then you can total 60 words shown to you. So it is a 15 minutes test in altogether. Now, this particular test is to understand, to know about your repressed ideas, conflicts, guilts. It once upon a time it also used to be used for lie detection also. It is such an effective test by the way. Abhi lie detection machines aa gayi hain, otherwise it was a lie detector test. The aim is to here is again to assess the OLQs. Now, this slide is very important. This is the only slide which will make your everything clear. Now, there is no formal rating of responses. Anybody writing all 60 doesn't mean that he will be clear. Psychology is not a test of a sentence. It is to see your unconscious and subconscious mind. Now, there are 7 kind of maximum ways you can write a sentence. Blank छोड़ दिया तो बात ही खत्म. Incomplete है तो then again unaccessible. Now, I will not tell you what kind of sentence you should be writing. What kind of sentence when you write does not give an indication that the mind has been used. Right? For example, if you write a fact, gold is expensive, coffee is black, sky is blue. These are facts. If you write a fact, then obviously it is a known fact. Your mind has not been applied. Second is cliche. Any kind of proverb or any kind of saying which has already been written by some Manubhav. Like all that glitters is not gold, friend indeed is a friend indeed. Any kind of such proverb, if you are using, it is not your proverb. It is not come from your mind. You have copied somebody else's idea. Injunctional, then it's something when you are directing Hitler kind of sentences. Do this, do that. Gold should be preserved. Gold should be saved. If the word is gold, I'm giving on single word. So such kind of sentence, again, you are just directing. You are not writing about the word. Everyone should speak truth. Suppose truth is a thing, everyone should speak truth. You are telling everyone to speak truth, who everybody knows it. Okay, so such words, your mind is not being applied. Then the personal. I love gold, he loves gold, Sita loves gold. I speak truth, I am a good person. Suppose it is on good. So these are the personal response. If your mind is not giving these 4 kind of things, it means it has applied. इस 4 ऐसे sentences के अलावा कोई भी sentence लिखो, that is a good sentence. Good sentence means your mind has been applied. Because if it has come from your mind, then we can enter to your mind. If you are going to write these only kind of thing, then it has got different connotations. पहली बात तो intelligence factor down हो जाता है. ठीक है? Because you have not applied yourself. These are not your ideas. So इसका चाहो तो फोटो खींच लो. ये अब जो भी sentence you make it and just analyze कि ये चारों के अंदर तो नहीं fall कर रहा. अगर इन चारों में fall नहीं कर रहा, then it is a good sentence. It has come out of your mind and your mind has been applied. That is all. This is all WAT is. Now you are a judge of your own self. Now these are just to have practice. Anyone to make a sentence on that? Anyone?
After dark comes the light, which enlightens you.
Very good. So such kind of sentence is definitely does not come in these 4 categories. Neither is a fact, nor cliche, nor injunctional, nor person. So it is a good sentence. Anyone on failure? We'll just do 3 out here. Anyone on failure?
So failure can make a person
step of success.
Wait. Yeah.
Failure is the first step of success.
Failure is the first step of success. Very good. So similarly, it is not falling in any 4 things. So it is a sentence which has come out of your mind. Okay, so we will not go much in detail. We have understood. Now WAT mantra, anyone to read? Rajsekhar, you read.
WAT mantra. Apply imagination about the word, not with the word. Speed of imagination is the essence.
That is very important. Speed कैसे आएगी इसकी? Speed में you can just make, like when you make a sentence on any word, pick up a word from that sentence only and make another sentence. उस sentence में से again pick up one word, make another. Do this exercise with your own self every day, 10 to 15 minutes. Your speed of imagination will come. This is one exercise I am telling you. There are a lot of other exercises. In webinar, I have to be restricted in the time plan also. So later when you join flame classes, then we can cover it. Now we come to the situation reaction test. There are total 60 situations given to you, which are divided into 4 factors. As you are aware about the 4 factors of OLQ. These situations are modified on the third person. Now in internet, I have seen they in place of he or she, they start writing you. That is a very incorrect way. Some 25 times failure has already made those kind of situations. It is never on you, because when you are giving your responses, when you see, जब क्रिकेट मैच देखते हो तो बाहर से बॉल ज्यादा अच्छी दिखती है ना, अरे यार उसने बॉल को स्लिप में मार टच कर दिया, कैच हो गया. So when you are playing yourself, so you are not able to identify a lot of things. That's why it is always on the third person. It is never on you. So the stimulus in the SRT ends with he. Like for example, he was moving on his bicycle on a down slope. Suddenly his brakes fail. He. Anyone? Rajat? Rajat, are you there?
So try to stop with his leg.
What? So that is what he tries to stop with his leg, or he puts his foot down. Whatever you say, there is nothing right or wrong.
Tries to control the speed.
Control the speed. Correct. In a full response, it is like that. So no right or wrong answer of any situation. Candidate need to give her reaction to the situation. Now we will just do 2-3 sample SRTs here. Okay, anyone to read? Nitin Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Read the first.
1 minute, sir. She was asked to walk a long distance by
first, beta, first word.
Okay, sir. Generally, people do not listen to his arguments, so he, she.
He, she, nahi, you are he, na, to he padho. So he.
Okay, sir. So he try to convince people on his arguments.
Try to convince people logically with his arguments. Okay, fine. Anybody to read the next?
Rajshekar.
No.
He or she was asked to walk.
He or she, nahi, only he. You are he to read he.
Okay. He was asked to walk a long distance by his scoutmaster, but he was having fever. He showed his courageousness and exemplary attitude and walked along the distance, and thereby got himself operated to a doctor.
Okay. Anyways, there is no but you. This is not PAT. You have to be very cryptic when you're writing. You have written so many qualities of the individual that he was courageous.
Taking first aid and move ahead.
Exactly. You have to give the precise action for that thing. If you are going to write stories, then you will miss out other things. Okay. So aim here is that you are able to address the situation, what is given to you, and you are not assuming. Like, for example, few points of consideration. First of all, whatever first thought comes to your mind, you have to write that. Don't waste your time in that. Be crisp in your responses. Like, for example, drought condition were prevailing in his district. He gave volunteer service to NDRF. It is a good response, maybe a good response, but it is very long. Like Rajshekar has given, it was a long response. You cannot be voluminous, otherwise you will not be able to complete it. You just get 30 seconds for one SRT.
Yes.
The response has to be realistic and complete in action. Okay. Just like abhi I asked about the cycle. He put his foot down.
Yes.
अब उसके आगे कुछ भी नहीं लिखा. क्या हुआ उसको? You have to complete the response. है ना? Then most important, don't assume the facilities. Assume करने लग जाते हैं. Like during winter. अब मैंने winter लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. He was once returning alone from a late night show. Suddenly it started raining heavily. He opened his umbrella, which he was already carrying. Is it a good response?
No, sir.
He has assumed. He has made the situation easier for him. Okay, like he had to take the money on a lonely route and there was a threat of robbers. He deposited the money in the ATM. अरे भाई मैंने ATM दिया ही नहीं, तुमने कहाँ से deposit कर दिया? You have to, whatever we have given you the situation, you have to work in those premises. आजकल तो वो PTM, ATM सब होता है, but we are giving you traditional situations.
Yes, sir.
है ना? So this is the thing. Now anyone to read this?
May I? I'm Ayush Shah.
Yeah, please.
SRT mantra: visualize practically and face boldly. Courage is grace under pressure.
Yes, we want you to address the situation. Like, for example, he was returning from a movie during late night show. After a late night show on a lonely road, he saw a woman shouting and two men holding her. Anyone?
Call the police.
Sir, he'll firstly call the police. Till that point of time, he'll try to overpower the men and rescue that woman and hand over the thieves to police.
Okay, वो तो खैर पुलिस का बाद में आया. You're right, but I'm just that you have to address the situation. I heard one of the candidates earlier. He giving me the reply, sir. He will not interfere because it was their personal matter. So it means he has avoided the situation. Aim is to get involved in the situation. जरूरी नहीं है सबको जुड़ो कराटे आते. But how you are going to apply your mind? Had I told not 2 men, 5 men, obviously you are not going to fight. But you are going to apply your mind.
He'll try to control the situation.
Whatsoever. Control to फिर वो control, it is not a
So with the
mere
help
action.
with the help of other person, try to
Lonely road, night time, nobody there. I have already told. So apply your mind on this. You can get. It is basically how you can apply yourself. आपको उसको address भी कर सकते हो. कोई somebody picks up the stone and threatens from the distance, and so in the meantime call the police also and engage them by some means, by throwing a stone. अगर बंदे ज़्यादा हैं या जैसे भी करेगा सब, मतलब there is no right or wrong answer. Everybody has got a different way of doing it. So how well you can apply your mind courageously and you can face the situation good.
Try to control the situation.
Control में तो आया नहीं ना. Try to control the situation. क्या? It is no action. When you write such words or such things where the action is not clear, he will. फिर तो ऐसे भी लिख दो. He will take suitable action there. अरे action क्या लोगे? ये वो politics नहीं है. हमें देखना है, हम देखेंगे. नहीं. यहाँ this is you are going to army. We want clear-cut action. Okay. Now we come on to the last, the self-description test. It is basically writing an essay on your own self. मंजू अपना म्यूट कर लो. Yes, you मंजू. हाँ. Okay. Wait. Now self-description is an essay on yourself as how you view your own self. पहले आपने you have written essay on Mahatma Gandhi. Now it is an essay on you. You know how well you know about yourself. Generally, we come to know about ourselves from our parents, teachers, friends. ये तो बताते हैं हमारे बारे में opinion. Yeah, friend, you are like this. You should improve in this. Parents tell you. Then what kind of person are you and what kind of person you would like to be? These are the 5 paragraphs which are asked in this test. Okay? And it is your own image what you are telling. Good, bad, whatever weakness, strong point, everything has to come in this. Now, iski just 2 slides बताऊंगा मैं. This is one thing. We all have this personality in us. There is something known as arena. Arena नाम दे दिया है बाकी. There is some part of our personality which is known by self and known by others. जो सबको मालूम है. आपको ही मालूम है, बाकी लोगों को. एक part है which you don't know but others know. Some people say अरे नहीं यार उससे बात मत करो, बहुत selfish है. और वो उससे बात करोगे बोलेगा अरे नहीं यार, I help everyone. I am always thinking about others. Okay? So it is something known as blind spot. Then there is something known by self and unknown by others. This is known as facade. Facebook देखिए ना, ऐसे करके सेल्फी 2 पिंपल्स यहाँ पर है, दिखेंगे नहीं, ऐसे करके सेल्फी ले लेते. Yes, so that is a facade. Yes, you sir. See, in Facebook, half of the things are not actually true. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is known by self but unknown by others. And there is one part of our personality which is unknown by self also, unknown by others. Psychologist का arena ये वाला है, ये जो L बन रहा है ना, we find out this thing. ये blind spot और facade जो है, this part of your subconscious, and this unknown, latent, it is your which you are not aware of. Here we try to find out this. Now self, when we talk about self, self has got 3 things: image, esteem, and ideal self. सेल्फ इमेज एंड सेल्फ एस्टीम क्या होता है? When you see yourself, are you seeing yourself realistically? Some people are very boastful. अरे I do this, I do that. अरे I can do that also. Actual ground में देखेंगे तो कुछ भी नहीं कर पाते. Yes or no? ऐसे होते हैं लोग. आपके फ्रेंड सर्किल में कोई ना कोई होगा. So means they are not able to see the reality in themselves. They are exaggerating. और कुछ आपके फ्रेंड्स ऐसे भी होंगे जो दूसरे अरे यार मेरे से होगा ही नहीं. You are very underconfident. उनके अंदर they have got all the things, but they always put themselves down. So they have a self image जो है that is slightly negative. They see their flaws and weaknesses.
Yes, sir.
So we don't want to see, in SD we want to see, are you exaggerating yourself or you are downgrading yourself? We want to see you as a real person. Then self-esteem, how much value put to yourself, how you value yourself, what kind of evaluation, positive evaluation, negative evaluation about. तुम अपने अंदर सिर्फ कमियां ही देख रहे हो? Are you able to see your plus points also? Then is the ideal self. What kind of person are you and what kind of person you would like to be? That we want to see. कि भाई मेरे अंदर ये strong points है, ये weak points है. I want to be like this. We all are trying to progress.
Yes, sir.
Whether it is me or you, we all want to become better. So that is what ideal self. Anyone who has the feeling to get better, to get into idealism, he is actually working for that. Okay, so we want to see that spark in you. So that is why these two questions: what kind of person are you? What kind of person you would like to be? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So with this, we come to know whether you are overestimating yourself, realistic estimation it is, underestimation. All these things you come to know about. Motivation, drive, social adaptability, emotional self-awareness, how optimistic, how pessimistic you are about your own self, we come to know. Anyone to read this?
Sir, Rajshekar.
Yeah.
SD mantra: be yourself, accept yourself, value yourself, forgive yourself, bless yourself, express yourself, trust yourself, love yourself, empower yourself.
Okay, so this is SD mantra. You have to be good to yourself. If you are not good to yourself, can you be good to others?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You have to love yourself. Be justified for your own personality. Don't neither try to overestimate yourself nor you degrade yourself. If you are finding any weakness, try to cover it, try to work for it. If you have a strength, then use it as a strength. That realism, that is self-realization, we are looking for it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, common issues. Now this is the last part which is very important. Common issues faced by candidates in psychological testing. आप लोगों की यही प्रॉब्लम होती है. पढ़ो इसको, देखो. Unable to imagine a good story, unable to make or imagine a sentence, speed of making sentence or forming story is very low or slow, speed of attempting SRT is limited, self description don't know self. यही होती है.
Yes.
इसके अलावा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. यही होती है सारी प्रॉब्लम. और इनके लिए सबके लिए माइंड एक्सरसाइजेस है. देयर इज अ वे ऑफ करेक्टिंग इट एंड इट कैन बी डन. जैसे आप अपनी फिजिकल बॉडी को प्रैक्टिस करके आगे एनहांस करते हो अपने स्टेमिना, माइंड का भी स्टेमिना वर्कआउट किया. वी ऑल हैव इंटेलिजेंस फैक्टर. ठीक है. अभी मैं कुछ टेक्निक्स आपको इसमें बता देता हूं. एक तो साइक टेस्ट इज अ टेस्ट ऑफ इमेजिनेशन. व्हाई यू आर नॉट एबल टू, फर्स्ट वी विल सी दिस एंड देन वी विल सी व्हाट वी कैन डू. Why it happens to a candidate that he is not able to imagine. Psych test is a test of imagination. Imagination comes from creativity and creativity is part of intelligence. Means intelligence को address करना है सबसे पहले. ठीक है. अब intelligence को कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं? We'll see. Intelligence is a result of ability to use mind or apply mind. हमारे Indian education system में right from your childhood you have done more of cramming than to applying. Yes or no? तुम्हारी क्लास के अंदर फर्स्ट वही आता था जिसका जो सबसे बड़ा रटपीट होता है, जो who can cram the things very well, he is the first. 99%. हाँ, 3 Idiots देखिए ना सबने?
Yes sir.
चतुर महालिंगम बहुत सारे हैं एनवायरमेंट.
Yes sir.
ठीक है. तो दैट इज अ रीजन. जो एप्लीकेशन ऑफ माइंड है भाई, आर्मी में भी when you give UPSC exam, we don't say कि you should have 90% marks, है ना? NDA, IMA, CTS वगैरह देते हो, UPSC entry में we are not even asking the percentage, because we don't want Chatur Mahalingam with us. We want people who can apply themselves on ground. Sharing हो रही है, गोलियां चल रही हैं, they can apply them. We are looking for those kind of people. AC में बैठ के decision making नहीं करनी है. So that is why here mental stamina for mind application, it is just like physical stamina. If you exercise your mind, it will run. उसको run करने की habit करनी है. अभी तक तो रटता हुआ आ रहा है. Application बहुत कम जगह लगा है. Application mathematics में थोड़ा बहुत लग गया होगा. किसी छोटी मोटी जगह पे आप जो रूटीन में अपनी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हो, जैम में फंस गए, वहां से निकलना है. यू आर अप्लाइंग योर माइंड कि यार क्या करूं, इधर से जाऊं, ऐसे करूं, वैसे करूं. दिस इज व्हाट इज एप्लीकेशन ऑफ माइंड, प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन. रूटीन में हम कई जगह, लेकिन कई बच्चे होते हैं जिनको ये भी मौका नहीं मिलता है, तो माइंड बिल्कुल ही वो रट्टाफिकेशन और क्रैमिंग वाली अवस्था में रह जाता है. So one needs to exercise mind to build the stamina and to get a habit of using it. Mind को use करने की habit डालना is very important. How it comes? Number one, solving puzzles. Newspaper में भी आती हैं. There are lot of online things. अपनी mind को activation के लिए करते रहो उसको. Attempt IQ test के मतलब इतने papers, इतने questions online भरे हुए हैं, booklets हैं. 2-2 घंटे तक लग जाओ उसमें. लेट योर माइंड को रगड़ दो एक बार, डेली उसको वर्क करो, इट विल वर्क. यू विल सी योर माइंड हैज स्टार्टेड गेटिंग एक्टिवेटेड. क्लिक फोटोग्राफ फ्रॉम मोबाइल एंड मेक अ स्टोरी ऑन इट. कहीं से भी, कहीं भी इंटरनेट से कोई भी फोटो उठा लो, कुछ कर लो, कन्वर्ट इट टू ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग मॉक स्टोरीज. लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, पहले आइडियाज क्या आ रहे हैं, पहले इमेजिनेशन को करो कि कितनी देर में, 30 सेकंड में क्या इमेजिनेशन आ रही है.
सर
फिर दूसरी फोटो देखो, फिर देखो कि अब इमेजिनेशन बनी क्या. हाफ एन आवर प्रैक्टिस, डू मॉक प्रैक्टिस फॉर स्टोरीज एवरी डे, आधा घंटा, पौन घंटा. यू सी विद इन 1 वीक और 10 days योर इमेजिनेशन विल डबल ऑफ योर. किसी से पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है, सर क्या स्टोरी लिखेंगे इसमें. यू डोंट नीड टू डू दैट. इंटरनल क्लींजिंग. अभी ये जो हमारा ऊपर लगा हुआ है ना, इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ बकेट. इसके अंदर अभी क्या भरा हुआ है? क्राइम पेट्रोल, सीरियल्स, 125 न्यूज चैनल, सनसनी, खनकनी, है ना, फेसबुक एंड बड़ी, इंस्टाग्राम, व्हाट्सएप. इट इज फिल्ड विद मक, दिस बकेट. इमेजिनेशन के लिए जब लैपटॉप को पूरा भर दोगे तो विंडो को बूट होने का जगह मिलता है क्या? यस और नो?
नो सर.
तो बूट होने का जगह नहीं है, इमेजिनेशन की जगह ही नहीं है. तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले क्या करना है? फर्स्ट स्टॉप फीड्स मींस इनग्रेस रूट्स. गंगा को जब साफ करना था तो सबसे पहले नदी नाले बंद किए ना चारों तरफ के. यस, यस और नो?
यस सर, यस सर.
हाँ, तो सबसे पहले जो इनग्रेस रूट्स है, स्टॉप वॉचिंग फालतू सीरियल्स, स्टॉप वॉचिंग ऑल न्यूज चैनल्स एक्सेप्ट डीडी न्यूज एंड बीबीसी. दैट इज वेयर द न्यूज इज शोन. स्टॉप ऑल अदर चैनल्स. न्यूज़पेपर में you should know what kind of news you should be reading. There are a lot of filthy news which are coming, which is not required. बस खड्डे में गिर गई, 155 आदमी मर गए. That is not a news. That is an incident, accident. You should know what is the news. So read only the news for your current affairs. Stop watching useless movies which are giving negative feed. जो इसमें डालोगे ना वही स्टोरी में आएगा. If you are putting a Sansani or Crime Patrol in this, then I can assure you when I show you the knife, you are going to write the Sansani story there, which is full of social muck. और ऐसा नहीं है, ये देव और असुर पहले भी होते थे, आज भी. सोसाइटी में अच्छी चीजें भी बहुत हैं और बुरी चीजें भी बहुत हैं. आपका माइंड किस तरफ जा रहा है? Rajshekhar, I am answering your question. Where your mind is going, whether it is going
Yes,
towards
sir.
positivity or it is going towards Crime Patrol and Sansani.
Yes, sir.
Whatever you will feed here, it will come in your story and W8. So ingress route बंद करो. अब जो भरा हुआ है उसका क्या करना है? उसके लिए मैं आपको 2 एक्सरसाइज बता रहा हूँ. एक होती है डीप ब्रीदिंग, अनकॉन्शियस. When we are born with a connected with our mother with a navel tube. So you have to do deep breathing exercise which should hold in the navel. Whatever knots your unconscious knots are, they will get loosened. and slowly you don't have to sit quietly for that. चलते हुए, काम करते हुए, पढ़ते हुए, just make your breathing deeper till your navel. That is all. That will within 15 days. You will get lot of dreams during this time, 15 days. But after 15 days, you will feel very light. Your imagination will get better. Your internal stresses will reduce. कई बार हमें लगता है ना, आज बस अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. क्यों नहीं लग रहा? मालूम नहीं, बस अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. ये अच्छा अनकॉन्शियस से आया, जिसके बारे में मालूम नहीं है. वो क्लींजिंग होगी. देन इज अ लिसनिंग ड्रिल. ये लिसनिंग ड्रिल करनी है रात को सोने से पहले. यू कैन जस्ट सिट क्वाइटली, क्लोज योर आईज, एंड वॉट एवर यू लिसन, whether it is a sound of silence or it is a sound of bird, it is a sound of storm, it is a sound of motorcycle, just concentrate on your ear. That is all. Do it for 10 minutes. It will clean your subconscious mind. First 5-6 days you will not be able to even sit for 10 minutes. उसमें सीटिंग करके लेटे लेटे कर लो या बैठ के कर लो, up to you. Before going to sleep, 10 minutes do this listening drill. Your subconscious will be cleared in around 15 days. But be religiously doing it. Your imagination will enhance automatically. Attempt mock sentence. जो मैंने mock sentence बता दिया, speed कैसे करनी है. Take out a word from a sentence and make a sentence. Remember the mantras, whatever mantras I have given you. Practice goodness in yourself. कुछ चीज से पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है कि मेरे को पॉजिटिव स्टोरी लिखनी है, नेगेटिव लिखनी है, ये वर्ड नहीं, अपने आप आएगा. अच्छा, जब ये टेम्पल बन गया ना, योर बॉडी इज लाइक अ टेम्पल, योर माइंड इज अ टेम्पल. इफ यू हैव मेड दिस अ टेम्पल, गुड थॉट्स अपने आप आएंगे. इसको बनावटी बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. ऐसे मत लिखना, वैसे मत लिखना. इट इज ऑल फेकिंग. वो तो मेरे को वैसे ही मालूम पड़ जाएगा तुम्हारी कॉपी देख. अवॉइड गॉसिप्स एंड क्रिटिसिज्म. ये जितने भी फ्रेंड सर्कल्स के अंदर आधे हम करते ना, अरे यार उसने ऐसे, उसने, अरे वो ऐसा है, वो वैसा. प्लीज स्टॉप ऑल दिस. कंसंट्रेट ऑन योर पर्सनालिटी. दैट इज व्हाट इज द डिफेंस ऑफिसर. दूसरे की कमियां नहीं निकालता, खुद को ठीक करता है और दूसरों को साथ लेके चलता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ लीडर. बी अ लीडर एंड bring those qualities in you. Feel like that. Then your internal solar system will start working like that. Try finding goodness in worst of your foes even. मतलब there is nothing called कि यार वो मेरा दुश्मन है लड़का या वो ऐसा है. कुछ नहीं यार. He has got his own life. He has got his own mind. He has been, उसकी अपनी लाइफ की कुछ प्रॉब्लम होंगी. Why he has behaved like that? You don't have to concentrate on that. Useless. Anything which is not giving you anything in return, good return to your mind, good feed to your mind, why you have to get into that thought? Reduce your these kind of useless thoughts. There will be a space of imagination in your mind. Naturally create the imagination. You can be a painter in 15 days, I can assure you, if you do all this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
We have already done some sample practice of all the three. We are generally aware. Now
Yes,
I will
sir.
be happy to answer any questions if you have.
Sir Rachikar, sir, I have a question.
ये बाकी जनता क्या बिल्कुल है? No questions? Very good. चलो राशिकर बताओ.
सर लाइक W80 में सर हम जब एक सेंटेंस के आगे एक लाइन लिखते हैं तो सर नॉर्मली 15 सेकेंड्स के बाद वो नॉर्मली वर्ड गायब हो जाता है और हमको नेक्स्ट वर्ड पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना होता है. बहुत बार
Yeah.
ऐसा होता है कि सर वो वर्ड के आगे हम ब्लैंक हो जाते हैं, लिटरली लाइक कुछ लिख ही नहीं सकते और तब तक दूसरा वर्ड आ जाता है. तो सर वो जिस वर्ड के आगे हम ब्लैंक हुए वो हमारी वीकनेस है या वो हमारी साइकोलॉजी बताती है?
देखो, जो भी जिस भी वर्ड के आगे आप ब्लैंक हो जाते हो, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल स्लैप, एक वर्ड आया स्लैप. अब मैं एक बहुत ब्रॉड सा एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं. Any of the boys who had approached one of the girls she liked and he got a slap from a girl, and the moment I show him the word slap, immediately the same memory come to his mind because that was a big shock his mind got. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So there are the words which, you know, initiates your those currents of the mind or the pockets of those memories or those feeds or those mishappenings or those incidents. These are the negative words. In ऐसे जब आप इनको देखते हो तो नेगेटिविटी फील होती है, लेकिन ये वर्ड्स देयर आर सर्टेन करंट्स इन यू. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि एक वर्ड से साइकोलॉजिस्ट अपनी वो बना लेगा. 60 वर्ड्स हैं आपके पास. डोंट थिंक दैट कि स्लैप का नहीं लिखा तो समथिंग यू हैव लॉस्ट. डोंट वरी अबाउट. We all have faced our life into some other situation. We have seen so many experiences. So it happens. ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो किसी चीज पे नहीं अटका हो. Don't worry about that. अगर 1% नहीं आया तो नहीं आया. Whatever comes to your mind. ये मत सोचो कि मेरे को बहुत अच्छा माइंड से आना है. फिर स्लैब में जो आ रहा है वो लिख के आओ. पर्सनल है, फैक्ट है, जो है बस लिख के आओ. Don't think that कि I have to, don't have to write. मतलब ऐसे तो फिर वो 20-25 सेंटेंस छूट जाएंगे.
Yes sir.
Whatever comes to your mind, just write it. Don't worry about it. लेकिन अगर उसमें किसी में थॉट प्रोसेस ज्यादा अच्छा हो रहा है तो उससे आपका इंटेलिजेंस फैक्टर अच्छा होता है. उसमें आपकी इंटेलिजेंस अबव हो जाती है ओएनक्यू से. दैट इज ऑल.
Okay sir.
बाकी सेंटेंस अल्टीमेटली तो हम आपके अंदर माइंड का अंदर का देख रहे हैं ना. वी आर सीइंग योर अनकॉन्शियस पार्ट. वी आर सीइंग योर हिडन इमोशंस, हिडन इश्यूज. सेंटेंस इज जस्ट अ मीडियम.
Yes sir.
तो अगर आप वो भी लिखते हो, पर्सनल सेंटेंस भी लिखते हो, तो हम ज्यादा ये सोचेंगे इसका दिमाग कम चल रहा है बच्चे का, ये अप्लाई नहीं कर पा रहा है. जो रिकॉर्डेड सेंटेंसेस हैं वही के वही लिख रहा है. तो ज्यादा आपका इफेक्टिव इंटेलिजेंस के बारे में हमें डाउट है. ठीक है, बट राइट समथिंग. डोंट थिंक दैट कि मतलब मैं उसको छोड़ दूं.
Blank नहीं छोड़ना.
ब्लैंक नहीं छोड़ो. कुछ जो आता है माइंड में लिखो. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट यू थिंक. इट इज नॉट सो कि भाई हम ये हर सेंटेंस को, वी अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग. It is this is assessment is of the entire 4 test. कई बार जब मैं WAT टेस्ट करता हूँ, I go back to TAT चेक करते करते मैं पीछे सेल्फ डिस्क्रिप्शन को देखता हूँ, फिर एक दो सिचुएशन SRT के बीच में देखता हूँ, फिर TAT चेक कर लेता हूँ, फिर PIQ फॉर्म देख लेता हूँ, PIQ में क्या भरा है बच्चे ने. तो it is not one single response which is affecting your selection or affecting your psychology. It is the entire booklet. एक वर्ड से कुछ नहीं होता, 20 वर्ड से भी कुछ नहीं होता. SRT में किसी ने 30 सिचुएशन नहीं करी, 30 करी, फिर भी क्लियर हो सकता है. कोई ऐसा नहीं है. स्पीड राइटिंग किसी की स्लो है, मेरे को समझ में आ गया, वो स्लो लिख पा रहा है, बट आइडियाज दे पा रहा है कम वर्ड्स में. ठीक है. डोंट हैव, पहले तो इनहिबिशंस हटा दो अपने अंदर से, फियर्स हटा दो साइकोलॉजी के बारे में. यू आर ऑलरेडी विद द, जो मैंने एक्सरसाइज बताई है बस उसको रिलीजियसली करना, ये जो मैंने पीछे बताई.
ओके सर.
अपने आप रिजल्ट्स आएंगे. बाकी लेटर जब व्हेन यू कम टू फ्लेम, certain in detail things can be covered, and but definitely this will help you initially.
Okay.
Sir, Ayush Shah, I
Yeah,
just wanted to ask one thing, that in WAT, as you told, that try to avoid that 4 types of sentences. So if any of the word is such that
avoid, no, now you are misinterpreting my word. It is not avoid, it is that your mind is not working. तुम्हारा माइंड लग ही नहीं रहा है उन वर्ड्स पे, इसलिए पहले के जो सेंटेंस है फैक्ट्स दे रहा है. स्काई इज ब्लू, क्योंकि माइंड वर्क किया ही नहीं, उसमें चला ही नहीं माइंड.
Yes sir.
गोल्ड इज गोल्डन इन कलर, अरे माइंड चला ही नहीं. तो पॉइंट इज नॉट दैट कि यू शुड नॉट, जो उस वक्त तुम्हारे माइंड में अगर कुछ और नहीं आ रहा है, जो आ रहा है फर्स्ट थॉट और आइडिया रिस्पॉन्स को लिखो वहां पे, बिल्कुल बिंदास होके लिखो. I am just saying your mind is playing with you. At times it does not work. It is shamming. 10 मिनट पढ़ाई के लिए बोले तो नींद आती है. मुन्ना भाई MBBS चला देते हैं तो एकदम खुल जाती है ना आयुष?
Yes.
तो mind is playing with you. It is not working that time. तो मैं बस ये बता रहा था उसमें कि in case such sentences are given by the mind at that point of time, it means it is not used to of getting applied. तुम वो सेंटेंस वाली मॉक प्रैक्टिस करो डेली, 10 डेज के बाद देखना, you will become a tota to give, your mind will start behaving the way you want.
Sir, I have actually I have been a part of this SSB capsule, and you guided me in this way. So I just practiced in that, and when I started with the words like this, so maximum times the sentence comes in this way, that one should do this, one should do that. So is that a proper sentence to be formed?
No,
or
जब ये आ रहा है इसका मतलब a candidate is more tuned to guide others. मतलब ये सोशल फैक्टर भी एब्रप्ट होता है. तुम अपने फ्रेंड सर्किल में देखना, तू अपने फ्रेंड सर्किल को सबको ऐसे ही बता रहा होगा, अरे यार ये मत कर. ज्ञान बांटने वाला जो होता है ना बंदा,
Exactly, sir.
So now you assess yourself. अब तेरे फ्रेंड तेरे से इसलिए ज्यादा परेशान रहते होंगे.
पहले रहते थे. Now I have avoided that, so now it's a bit
Exactly.
better than.
तो इसके कनोटेशन वैसे निकलते हैं बेटे वहां पे, है ना?
Okay, sir.
तो अगर आपने वो लिखा है, अगर आपने 1 2 3 4 सेंटेंस लिख दिया ठीक है, लेकिन आपने अगर सोचो 40 सेंटेंसेस वैसे बनाए आपके माइंड में, तो उससे आपका सोशल फैक्टर इफेक्ट हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
तो माइंड को तो चलाना पड़ेगा. अगर माइंड को चलाते हो अपने, फिर क्या है, सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन. मैंने आपको बताई जो एक्सरसाइजेस, इंग्रेस को, इंटरनल क्लींजिंग, मेंटल क्लींजिंग, सबकॉन्शियस अनकॉन्शियस क्लींजिंग, अपने आप चीजें ठीक होंगी, नेचुरली होंगी. ये सिखाने से नहीं आती. ये तुम्हें कोई कोचिंग क्लास वाला बंदा कोई कुछ बता देगा, कर देगा, तुम वो 100 सेंटेंस रट लोगे. अगर 101 आ गया फिर क्या करोगे? 5000 वर्ड्स है वहां तो.
Yes, sir.
है ना? तो हम अपने रूट्स को ठीक करें ना, अपना अपना नींव को अच्छा करें, जिससे उसके ऊपर जैसा हाउस बने बढ़िया ही बनेगा. लेकिन ऊपर से कर दे तो वो कोलैप्स हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
है ना? हाँ, वो है. Anyone else?
And sir, one more thing.
हाँ,
Sir, in this self SD part, that the last two questions which are asked, that is what you are right now.
What kind of person are you, and what kind
Yes.
of person you would like
to be. So in that, what kind of person are you? So in that, can we express our negative points which we know that we are.
देखो, एक तो है ना, नेगेटिव पॉइंट बोलना मत कर.
Okay,
There
sir.
are strength and weaknesses.
Yeah. So if I write my weakness, and then
You
I
have to write weakness, because
Okay.
मैं तो तुम्हारी वीकनेस पिछले 3 टेस्ट में देख चुका. स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस दोनों देख चुका.
Okay, sir.
वीकनेस जो भी तुम्हें लगता है, लेकिन अब क्या है, आप लोगों को है ना, बच्चों को मालूम नहीं होता है कि किस वर्ड को कितनी इंटेंसिटी में लिखना है ना?
Yes, sir.
I
Yes, sir.
get very whenever somebody talks to me like that, I get very sad and nervous. But when you said sad and nervous, why? मतलब वो sad और nervous होगा नहीं. Nervousness it accounts to depression. लेकिन आप लोगों को मालूम नहीं है कि मेरे को कितना स्ट्रेस डालना है उसमें. Selection of words. I have this thing and I am trying to cover it with this. I have slight issues with this particular. मतलब जो चीज स्लाइट है उसको आप इतना गहरा बनाने की कोशिश कर देते हो, वहां पे एक्सेजरेट कर देते हो, बिकॉज आपकी एक्सेजरेशन की आदत है. तो आप अपने खुद के लिए भी एक्सेजरेट, अपनी खुद की कमियों को भी एक्सेजरेट कर देते हो, उसमें गड़बड़ हो जाती है.
Yes, sir.
तो आपको मालूम होना चाहिए, सेल्फ रियलाइज पर्सन होगा ना, वो अपने लव योरसेल्फ. आई एम सेइंग लव योरसेल्फ, फील गुड अबाउट योरसेल्फ, सो दैट यू डोंट ओवर एक्सेजरेट योर वीकनेसेस. हर
Yes,
चीज को एक
sir.
छोटी सी तरह से, यार ये चीज है, हो जाती है बहुत लोगों के साथ है. ऐसा कोई परफेक्शन वाला कोई एक बंदा दिखा दो जो परफेक्शन लेके पैदा हुआ है. अमिताभ बच्चन से लेके और डाउन बिलो एनीवन. ठीक है, we
Yes,
all
sir.
have weaknesses and strengths. We are there to see that only.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a
else?
question. Rajshekar, sir. Sir, Rajshekar.
Yeah.
Sir, like normally there is a like stage 1, that is PPDT, when when there are no OLQs that are to be judged, and when there is TAT, you are looking for OLQs in that. So sir, like in PPDT, we come to a story which is giving a common cause, so that we can have a group discussion after that. And we tend to give a negative event in the picture so that we can become a heroic character and solve that problem, and then that can become a matter of discussion after that in the group discussion. Sir,
राजशेखर, तुम बहुत ज्यादा कोचिंग के अंदर जा रहे हो, इतना ज्यादा मत सोचो उसको. ठीक है, मैंने जितनी सिंप्लिसिटी से बताया ना, उतनी सिंप्लिसिटी से स्टोरी लिख के आओ. एवरी स्टोरी हैज टू हैव. क्रो के अंदर क्रो था ना,
yes sir.
हीरो. तो एक हीरो जो तुम देख रहे हो उसमें से एक मेन कैरेक्टर बनाना है. हम बोलते हैं द फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर यू सी इन द पिक्चर, mark the location in the square box and write the details within the circle. Balance of the character you can mark with the help of a dot. मीन जो अमिताभ बच्चन है उसको तुमने सर्कल से मार्क कर दिया, बाकी छोटे डॉट से लगा दिए, मेल फीमेल जो भी तुमने परसीव करी, और सबकी एज, मूड और जेंडर लिख दिया. उसके बाद तुमने अपने सेंटर फिगर जो तुम्हारा सर्कल मारा है तुमने, उसके ऊपर यू आर राइटिंग एंटायर स्टोरी. ही इज अ सेंटर फिगर. स्टोरी इज सेम एज यू डू इन द TAT, थर्स्टी क्रो.
Yes sir.
सिचुएशन जो तुम्हें वहां पे दिख रही है उससे तुम्हारी इमेजिनेशन तुमने निकाल के परसेप्शन मैच, वहां पे परसेप्शन तक देखते हैं। स्टोरी थोड़ा सा एक कुछ तो तुम बनाओगे वहां पे ऑब्वियसली डिस्कशन के लिए,
Yes, sir.
बट परसेप्शन तुम्हारा होना चाहिए। अगर मैंने तुम्हें वहां पे दिखाया है कि तेरे माउंटेन्स दिखाए हैं, पेड़ बैकग्राउंड में दिखाए हैं और आगे एक आध आदमी कुछ कर, देन इट हैज टू बी linked with that thing has to come into the story, it has to be perceived correctly by,
Yes,
यहाँ
sir.
टेस्ट ऑफ परसेप्शन है। अगर वो परसेप्शन ही, अब मैंने दिखाया माउंटेन्स, तुमने दिखाया डेजर्ट, मैंने दिखाया क्राउड और तुम कोई इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक स्टोरी कहीं इधर उधर की बना रहे हो, तुमने फुटबॉल फील्ड बना दी उसमें,
Yes,
कोई फुटबॉल खेल रहा है बंदा, है ना। तो आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि व्हाट, मैंने इंडोर का सीन दिखाया और तुमने बैडमिंटन टूर्नामेंट बता दी उसमें।
Yes, sir.
मैंने इंडोर दिखाया ऑफिस का सीन और तुमने बोला कि राम वाज वेरी गुड इन बैडमिंटन, सो टुडे ही वाज मीटिंग विद हिज फ्रेंड्स एंड देन ही प्लेड। अब बैडमिंटन कोर्ट तो कहीं है नहीं ना, तुमने स्टोरी तो बैडमिंटन कोर्ट में बना दी पूरी।
Yes, sir.
तो ऑब्वियसली वो परसेप्शन डिफर हो गया, पिक्चर को समझे ही नहीं, पिक्चर को देखा ही नहीं, पिक्चर को एनालाइज ही नहीं किया, तो इमेजिनेशन उस पर परसेप्शन कहाँ से निकलेगा?
Correct, sir.
SSB is a very simple and natural way of testing personality. अपने को अंदर से अच्छा बनाओ ना, अपने आप अच्छी चीजें आएंगी।
Yes, sir.
Sir, one more question,
नोट्स
sir.
में गया तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा। हाँ वो बोलो। और
Aditya, sir.
हाँ आदित्य,
Sir, what to do in case if we don't know the meaning of a word which is shown in VAT?
अगर नहीं आए, वैसे तो बहुत ही सिंपल वर्ड्स होते हैं, स्टिल दो तीन वर्ड्स आ भी जाए, डोंट नो द मीनिंग लिख दो बस खत्म।
Okay.
हाँ वो ऐसे जब भाई मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे को मालूम पड़ जाएगा, अच्छा मीनिंग नहीं मालूम था, कोई बात नहीं, आई विल नॉट ग्रेड यू ओनली इन दैट।
Sir.
वी आर नॉट स्ट्रिंजेंट एक वर्ड के लिए। वो अगर दो चार मीनिंग भी नहीं आए लेकिन बहुत ही सिंपल वर्ड है, सपोज डिटर्मिनेशन वर्ड आ गया, अब बोलो आई डोंट नो द मीनिंग, देन फिर मेरा माइंड थक गया यार।
Got it, sir. Got it, sir.
ठीक है ना, तो
Yes, sir.
वो चीज है, मतलब बहुत ही सिंपल वर्ड है फिर भी मीनिंग नहीं आ रहा, तो इट मींस
Sir, got it, sir.
लैंग्वेज इशू हो सकता है।
Yes, sir.
So may I ask a question?
Yeah, now one girl is asking. Let the girl ask now.
Sir, I'm Preeti.
Preeti, बताओ।
Sir, whereas in PPDT we are asked to immediately write the first thought after we see the picture, and in the same place in
first thought, ये उसका briefing इस तरह से नहीं होता। Briefing उसका है, you are required to write a story around the character seen to you in the picture, है ना। In the story you are required to, first thought वगैरह नहीं है उसमें, first thought और idea comes to your mind is in the sentence। आप briefing को confuse नहीं करो आप लोग। जो briefing है PPDT की, it's a test of perception. In this you are shown a picture depicting certain character and situation. We see the picture carefully and mark the first character is in the picture location in the square box. Balance of the character you can mark with the help of a dot. You are required to give certain details of these characters in terms of gender, age and mood. Okay, this is a briefing. Okay,
okay.
बोलो
आगे। I assumed it because आपने वो स्लैप वाला एग्जांपल दिया था अजय शेखर को शायद।
वो बेटा that was for word WAT.
Okay sir. Okay sir. So whereas in WAT we are asked to think, like not to frame a sentence over those 4 conditions which you have given, sir. That we should try that our sentence should not be in that category.
नहीं अब so again you are asking means you were not listening. I never said it should not be in that category. Should not नहीं है. I am just saying if such kind of sentences coming in again and again, it means your mind is not functioning. माइंड पहले के रटे हुई कोई चीजें या नोन चीजों के बेस पे सेंटेंस बना के निकालते। माइंड की इफेक्टिवनेस नहीं है एप्लीकेशन में, इफेक्टिव इंटेलिजेंस लो आ रही है उसमें। ठीक है, अभी मैंने यही चीज थर्ड टाइम बता रहा हूँ मैं अभी। पहले की चीज आपने सुने नहीं प्रीति की। हाँ, you slept. I know.
No,
when the lecture is boring, you feel sleepy. I had to run Munda by MBBS in between. I know that.
Okay. So in PPDT कोई ऐसा fixed story है, like जो assessor, like the assessor will be expecting that we need the exact same story.
Now
from
you want to make no, there is no fixed story of anything. Now you want to get coached कि कोई तुम्हें reply दे दे ऐसी story बना। It is a test of your perception. मेरा perception का थोड़ी है test. I am 45 years old. You are between 18 to 25 years. So there has to be a difference in imagination. Okay, so it is your perception, whatever you perceive there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Now we are short of time. Also, I'll be handing over soon to director for closing. But yeah, I'll answer few questions. Yeah, tell me.
Our question is from PPDT. So, can a male candidate take a female as a main character?
Can a female make a male character?
So, can a male candidate make a main character perceive a main character of female in the story?
अच्छा, मतलब a male character, can a male character write a story on a female character, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now point is, whatever your gender is, when you are writing a story, it is close to your own realities. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now when you are writing, will it be, you will be more you can write better about males or females?
Sir,
about males. So why not to write on males?
Sir, if there is only a female in this story.
जनरली ऐसा होता नहीं है, क्योंकि फीमेल्स के लिए पीपीडीटी अलग होती है, पीपीडीटी और टीएटी.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so can we draw a male character from the outside if there will be only a female?
Yeah, why not? Why not? It is your imagination. You, whatever character, whether you are getting from outside or you are picking from inside, it is your wish. It is your imagination. There is no problem in that. But point is, as a male character, you yourself are male, you can write better on males.
Yeah.
Generally, it is very very rare कि males को कोई female की वाली दिखा दी जैसे female ही है. बहुत rare होता है ये है. मतलब पीपीटीटी हो या टीएटी हो, गर्ल्स की टीएटी के अंदर गर्ल्स एक फीमेल कैरेक्टर पक्का होगी हर पिक्चर के अंदर, या फिर कोई भी नहीं होगा. पीपीटीटी गर्ल्स की अलग होती है, बॉयज की अलग होती है. ठीक है ना? हाँ फ्रेंड्स, इट वाज अ ग्रेट सेशन विद यू ऑल. बिफोर आई close in, I'll request Director BD Gulati sir to please speak few words to the candidates.
Right. Thank you, Rishi. That was a very elaborate and interactive lecture, and I'm very happy that there were lots and lots and lots of question and answer sessions. I'm sure all the attendees would have benefit from your lecture, and it will stand them in good stead in their future endeavors. Okay, boys and girls, today we come to an end of the 4-episode webinar, which has covered all the aspects of an SSB. In addition to what has already been covered by the IO, GTO and Psych and Stage 1, I will request you to kindly focus also on general knowledge, general awareness and OIR. OIR will help you in Stage 1, and general knowledge and general awareness will carry you through for the remainder of the SSB. For the general knowledge, read newspapers, selected ones, say Asian Age, Hindu, and some international newspapers also. In case you cannot find or cannot lay your hands on newspapers, you can join Telegram, join my channel, send me a hello on Telegram. I will include you in the group. General awareness means we should know about the service which you are wanting to join, an army, the navy or the air force, whatever you are wanting to join. You should know something about it. You can always surf the net. You will get a lot of information. I will request you all to kindly switch on your cams so that we can take a picture, that is a group photograph for the webinar which we have carried on. So while you switch on your cams, I will say that I am sure this webinar will stand you in good stead. For all those who wish to further progress, you can join our SSB capsules. Right now, we are running them online because no contact classes are allowed. We won't want to do anything wrong by holding illegal on contact classes. So we are only holding now at this moment when the government orders are not there for contact classes, we are holding online classes. For online classes, contact on the same number where you have registered yourself for this webinar. And now in the end, I will request you be safe, be at home, unless it is very essential to go out. And whenever you go out, do double masking, obviously. All the very best. God bless you in your endeavors and take care. Do not send me a message here for joining my channel on Telegram. Send me a message on Telegram. Okay, Jesse Gulati is the ID. Thank you very much, boys and girls. It was a pleasure having this webinar with you.
Thank you, sir.
And I sincerely hope it will help you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Jai Hind, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Rishi, once again. Very well covered. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.